Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to generate vocabulary flashcards automatically using free AI in 2025. This is perfect for language learners, students, or anyone who wants to memorize words more effectively. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Gemini AI. This free tool can quickly turn a list of words, an article, or any text into flashcards. Next, decide what you want on your flashcards. Typically, each card has a word on one side and the definition, example sentence, or translation on the other. Now type a prompt like, create 10 flashcards from this text. Include the word, its meaning, and an example sentence for each. The AI will instantly generate all the flashcards. You can adjust the prompt for difficulty, add synonyms, or even include multiple languages. For example, make Spanish-English flashcards with 15 words from this text. Once you have the flashcards, you can copy them into Quizlet, Anki, or Google Slides to study interactively. Some tools even let you add images for visual memory. You can repeat this process to make as many flashcards as you like from articles, books, or vocabulary lists. And that's it. You've just learned how to generate vocabulary flashcards automatically using free AI in 2025. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more free AI learning tools and tips.